making progress, good things go slow, and I'm no saint.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So I think I have a new favourite look that I've done. So I am Marge Simpson. If you didn't know, I'm pretty sure you did because everyone knows who Marge Simpson is. This is actually inspired by the fact that when you're watching this right now, I'll currently be in Universal Studios. I had to think then what park it was in. Universal Studios, and that is where they have basically a Springfield there. But if you would like to see how I created this makeup look right here, how I became Marge Simpson, then please keep watching.
You pick me up again, got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you, lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you.
Look, and I love it so much. So with this wig, oh no, my earring fell out. I've literally double taped pom-poms to my ears. Yeah, actually let's talk about the jewellery then first. So these are just like pom-poms that you can buy at craft stores. So these are just pom-poms on some string, and then as you already know, I double taped some to my ears as earrings. Now this wig is actually a really long curly obviously blue wig, and I also have some pigtail clips that go with it. And what I've done is basically got a bit of card underneath and just clipped it all up against the card. I actually love this look so much. I'm so happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you do like it, make sure to press the like button down below. And also, if you like makeup looks like this that are just a bit weird, mad, creative, a lot of them are influenced by TV shows, movies, things like that. If you like makeup looks like that, hit the subscribe button down below because that's what we do on this channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My name is @Brooke.Ellis_. It'll be on the screen and linked in the description down below. Also, while we are here, I am currently in Florida right now. That is why I'm doing this look, because the day that this uploads, I think I'm going to be in Universal and they have a Springfield there, and it's just amazing. I love it so much. I cannot wait to have one of their donuts. Anyway, that's what inspired today's look. If you would like to see what I'm getting up to in Florida, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I also have another Instagram. I know I'm asking too much of you right now, I know I am, but if you're interested in what I'm wearing when I'm away, because I'm going to be taking outfit photos every single day, then make sure you follow my @BrookeEllisWears. It'll be on the screen, and again it'll be linked in the description down below. I really hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.